host, as always, Lucia. Hi, Pan. This is me in the Alvarez kitchen gonna taste the pancakes we were in. Hi. Okay, now we're going to learn how to pick up that pancake. Well, kids, so watch, can you turn it a little that way? Thank you, camera. So we're gonna hold the pan here, a little down. I'm gonna hold the pan here and go under it. And there. That's how we make the pancakes. Now, we're gonna bring it over so Lucia can eat. That's me. Hi! Okay. Now, we're gonna watch Lucia taste it. Oh yeah. Miss Michelle, could you get the forks?
I sure can.
I'm the judge. I'm selfish. Give me. Okay. So, Lucia's gonna taste it. She's gonna give us 1 to 10. 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. And she's gonna see if she likes it or not. Hope she likes it. We worked very hard on those pancakes. By we, I mean me and Miss Chef Michelle. It looks like a dog, so I'll give you. Now, I give it a 9 blast. The only problem was it was a little dry. Okay, 9 plus we can deal with. And we know that we can make it even better to go to a 10 next time. So, even I made myself an own pancake. How selfish of me. Thank you at the Alvarez Kitchen, your master chef, your sous chef, and your host, as always. Bye!